and if it's your first time visiting, thanks so much for stopping by. And if it's not your first time visiting, thanks for coming back. I want to show y'all my shop. I have an Etsy shop, so all this stuff you see is on Etsy. If you do not see it on Etsy, just go ahead and message me on Etsy and I can still make it for you, okay? So I'm at the mall now, my local mall. Okay, so this is what I have. I have all the tumblers. If you see the tumblers on here that you don't, if you see a tumbler that you need that you don't see on here, just let me know and I can make it for you. I can personalize it, put your photos on here, names or whatever you want. I can put whatever you want on your tumblers. I have this tumbler, and it also comes with a bag, and it comes with a planner. Okay, listen to your haters, if you're hiring. I have that, and all the prices and everything you see, all my prices and everything will be on the Etsy page. I have the bling bling glasses. I can tell you can tell me what colors you want on your glasses. I have the stem and the stemless. Okay, more tumblers, and I also have bangles. They're all on my Etsy page. If you want something that's not here, just let me know. I can put it on there. I can put personal pictures in here also, personal photos. Also have the earrings, passports, covers. Okay, and I also have fabric earrings, more earrings up here. I have journals and totes. These are all sorority inspired. It can come with a tumbler. Also, that's the coaster. Okay, and all these come with that also. Right now I have a lot of sold out. I sold out of stuff, so if you don't see it here, I can still make it for you. Hello. Okay, those come also with the notebook also. I mean the journal. More bags. Like I said, if you don't see this on my site, just let me know what you want and I can go ahead and order it for you. I design everything. I can put photos on your bags too. Here's the tote, the note, the journal. Here's the tote, the planner. Then like I said, the tumblers up here. All match, same image. Also have the 2021 calendars. Get them before they sell out. I have the planners. I also can put these images to match on your tumblers, okay? So if you want these planners, just pick which one you want on my Etsy page, and then just let me know you want a planner, you want a tumbler to match it. Okay, so if you want anything you want, you could just say you wanted it to match it, the tumbler to match it, but you gotta pay for it separately. They're different transactions. Okay. Also had a beaded bracelet. Okay. Another tote bag. Also, that can also match it with a tumbler. Okay. My daughter does the wood signs. You can check her out on Facebook, Shay's Designs. I'll leave the link below. She hand paint all these signs. Sometimes she uses vinyl also, but most of them is hand painted. You can get make you what you want, personalize it. You can do all your sports teams and all anything you want. Okay, there's a bag that matches this one back here. Tote bag. Outside of beer mugs, you can put your personalized your teams on there for you. Wine tumblers. Bling bling cups. These are the big ones. So all these are on my site. These are one of a kind, so you won't see no one else with these bling cups, but they're all different. Okay, let me know what color you want and I can make it for you. Or you can buy the ones you see on my site. Here's all the personalized mugs. I can also put pictures on these, photos on here, whatever you want. If you say, oh, I want me a Steelers mug, let me know and I can design it for you. So if you don't see what you want right here, let me know and I can design it for you. I have the boxes. You can do anything you want. Any sports team logos. This says King and Queen. And the King box has King and Boss and Hood on here. But I can put whatever you want on here. Also have the Kinky boxes. Check out my site to tell you what's inside those boxes. I also have the drunk Uno. I also have the drunk tic-tac-toe, the drunk spades. Check out my Etsy page. You see all those on my Etsy page. I also have pot holders. Lovers. Okay, more tote bags. Also, I'm an author. You can check my books out on Amazon under Charminggal. Okay. Also have some mouse pads if you want to, if you got the logo for your business or whatever, I can put your logo on your mouse pads. These are different ones that I have. As you see, we have a lot of Steeler fans in my state. I make a lot of stuff with Steelers and Cowboys. We have all kinds of different mouse pads that I can make. I can design them the way you want. Here's some more journals. Okay. All age group. Okay. Also had a big tote bag to order these for you. I can design it with you how you want it and then ship it to you. More signs. Check out Shay's Designs, SHAYS Designs on Facebook. That's my daughter. She makes the wooden signs. All right. I think that's it, y'all. Just keep an eye on my Etsy page. Check me out on my Etsy page. Shop there. Ship it right to you. I don't know if I showed y'all these signs, but give me some more signs. She can make the 6 feet signs also. 6 feet tall, and she also do double sided. All right, that's it. I'll be on my Etsy page, shipping the orders to you. You don't have to worry about coming out tomorrow. Ship right to you. All right, until next time, be blessed.